Welcome to the spoken tutorial on input and output. In this tutorial, we will learn to print some values, print using format specifiers, take input from user, and display a prompt to the user before taking the input. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to run basic Python commands on the IPython console. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press enter. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Let us start this tutorial with a string. Type A is equal to, inside double quotes, this is a string. To see the value of A, type A. Type print inside parenthesis A. This also prints the value of A. But there is a difference in the outputs. Typing just A displays the content of A. The statement print inside parenthesis A prints the string itself. We can see the difference clearly when we use strings with the new lines in them. Type B is equal to, inside double quotes, A line, \n, new line. Type B. As you can see, it just shows that B contains a new line character. Type print inside parenthesis B. It prints the string A line and then new line in the next line. Print statement in Python supports string formatting. Next, we shall look at different ways of outputting the data. %string operator is called as format operator. For example, %d specifies the integer format, %s specifies the string format, and %f denotes the float format. Switch back to the terminal. Next, let us assign x as shown. To print the value of x, type as shown. Here, %3.2f specifies the output in float and .2f rounds off the value to 2 decimal point. We will see one more example. Type as shown. Here, it rounds off to 4 decimal places. Next, let us assign two more values. Type y is equal to 2. Z is equal to, inside double quotes, red. To print the value of x, y and z, type as shown. Various arguments can be passed to print using modifiers. The values of x, y and z are substituted in place of the format specifiers as %2.1f, %d and %s respectively. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. What happens when you execute the following? Switch to the terminal for the solution. Type as shown. Here, the int value of x and float value of y are printed as per the format specifiers. It prints 6 decimal places by default for float. Usually, print statement prints the output in a new line. Now, we will see how to suppress the new line character. Open a text editor and type the following code. The new line character can be suppressed by passing end is equal to, inside single quotes, a space. Save the script as print_example.py. Switch back to the terminal. Let us run the code by typing %run space print_example.py. We can see that the print statement prints a space instead of a new line. Next, we shall look at taking input from user. We will use the input function for this. Type IP is equal to input open and close parenthesis. The cursor is blinking, indicating that it is waiting for an input. Type an input and press enter. Now let us see what is the value of IP. Type IP. We can see that it contains the string an input. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Enter the number 5.6 as input and store it in a variable C. Switch back to the terminal for the solution. We have to use the input command with variable C. Type C is equal to input open and close parenthesis. Enter 5.6 as input. Press enter. To see the input value, type C. Now let us see the data type of C. Type inside parenthesis C. We see that C is a string. Because input command always takes the input as string, no matter whatever is the input. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Execute the below statement. What happens when you do not enter anything and hit enter? Switch back to the terminal for the solution. Type D is equal to input open and close parenthesis. Press enter without giving any input. Again press enter to get the prompt. To see the input value, type D. When nothing is entered, an empty string is considered as input. We can also use input to display a prompt to assist the user. Now we will give a prompt to get the input. Type IP is equal to input inside parenthesis inside double quotes. Please enter a number \n. I will give 12 as input. This is how we can display a prompt to get input from user. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned to use print statement, use the format specifiers %d, %f and %s in the print statement, take input from user by using input function, and display a prompt to the user before taking the input. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, A is equal to input open and close parenthesis and user enters 2.5. What is the type of A? Second, if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4.5, what is the result of the following action? And the answers? First, no matter what you enter, it will be taken as a string. Hence, 2.5 is a string. Second, since B is called first, it will display integer value of B. Because the modifier used is %d. Similarly, float value of A will be displayed due to its modifier %2.1f. Hence, the output is A is 4 and B is 2.0. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.